Hello, my name is Fran Herreria. We're here at ISE 2025, and I'm going to show you one of our latest novelties, which we are actually launching on this at this very show, which is the Altair Intercom Go series. The Go series is a new, more affordable wireless intercom system that is sold by bundles, by sets like the one that you see in the box over here. Every set comes with a base station, which is now called antenna unit because actually it does not feature anymore a user position. So every set consists of 4 belt packs, 4 wireless user belt packs, 4 headsets, and the charging station. The antenna unit is compatible with up to 10 cabled belt packs, so that you can easily integrate this wireless solution into a pre-existent wireless cabled intercom system that you are already using maybe at a theater or at an auditorium. And the best news is that we have stripped all the secondary features from these units, and we have delivered a more simple, more affordable series, which will help the young entrepreneur and the smaller companies to get into the professional intercom business. If you want more information, you can get it at our website, www.altairaudio.com, and of course you can always visit us at ISE 2025.